The English legal system is the only one of three in the world to have a divided legal profession, where the lawyer is either a solicitor or a barrister. Each branch has its own separate traditions, training requirements, and customs of practice. The solicitor can be characterized as a general practitioner, a lawyer who deals with clients direct, and when a particular specialism or litigation is required, will engage the services of a barrister. There are over 130,000 solicitors currently practicing in England and Wales. Solicitors' governing body is the Law Society, and all practicing solicitors must be a member. It issues practicing certificates, supervises the professional education and training of solicitors, and provides support to services and solicitors. The Solicitors Regulation Authority is the profession's regulatory body dealing with all regulatory and discipline matters, setting, monitoring and enforcing standards for solicitors. They can work in private practice or employed by organisations such as the CPS. Most solicitors work in private practice, either on their own or as part of a partnership. Being a partner means being in a business as a self-employed person and receiving the share of profits rather than a fixed salary. The type of work done by a solicitor will depend on the type of firm she or he is working in. A small high street firm, for example, will be probably a general practice, advising clients on a whole range of non-contentious topics such as consumer problems, housing and business matters, and family problems. A solicitor working in such a practice is likely to spend some of his time interviewing clients in his own office and negotiating on their behalf, and a large amount of time dealing with paperwork. This will include things such as litigation work, which means preparing a case for trial, criminal work, so duty solicitors, advice and representation in magistrates or Crown Court, commercial work, dealing with business contracts, family work, representing clients in court in divorce cases and dealing with related issues such as financial maintenance and the custody of the children, wills and probate, drawing up wills and administering the estates of people who have died, conveyancing, the buying and selling of houses and land in drafting leases, advocacy, standing up in court and putting the client's case and questioning witnesses, so solicitor advocates, providing general advice, and writing letters on behalf of clients. Most of solicitors' work comes from conveyancing, drawing up wills, drafting contacts, writing letters, and family and matrimonial work. Solicitors do almost all advocacy in the Magistrates' Court, but have also developed full rights of audience since the Access to Justice Act 1999, subject to accreditation under the Quality Assurance Scheme for Advocates. Many large firms, particularly those in the City of London or the business area of other large cities, specialise in the large corporate client who sometimes has urgent multi-million-pound deals. Such firms often have multinational clients and may have offices in major financial and business centres throughout the world. Many solicitors and firms specialise in areas of law which they are expert, and specialisms can include corporate and commercial law, insurance, the registration of patents and copyrights, shipping, banking, and finally entertainment and media law, and many others.